Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sir Gavin. Now in this video guys, we will be talking about the product rule and the quotient rule of derivatives. So again, balik na differentiation rules gihapon but this time we will be talking about the product rule and the quotient rule. So basically when you say product rule, when you multiply ang two things, ang buhaton is just copy the first term or the first factor, differentiate the second, plus baliktahon mo, no? Ang second factor na sa dangin mo i-copy, differentiate na sa dangin mo ang pikas or ang usa. Then sa quotient, ang buhaton nimo is copy the denominator, differentiate the numerator, minus copy the numerator, differentiate the denominator all over the square of the denominator. So actually, para di ka siya lisod or kanang para mas dali siyang timan-an. Actually guys, sa number 5 ang iyang idea, sa number 5 niya, sa product rule ang idea niya is assuming this is u, this is v, assuming mo niyang u na to, mo niyang v niya. So ang mahitabo is you get u v prime plus v u prime. Okay? So, copy, differentiate, plus copy, differentiate. So, basically, baliktad lang. Sa number 6 po, as a quotient rule set, you can just also use u and v here. Kibali mo ni mong u dire, and then mo ni mong v. So, ang buhaton is copy denominator, so meaning v u prime minus u v prime all over v squared. Okay, medyo taas-taas mo if we use g of x and f of x, pero hindi na siyang formal. Now, if you want, para mas dali mong makahinumdom, then you may use u and v as the factors also. So, para mas dali siya timan-an, u v prime plus v u. Actually, ang product rule, dali-dali naman siya. Buhaton rin mo is copy, differentiate the other, plus you do the reverse. You copy what you have differentiated, and then you differentiate the other. Now here, kaya nga sa number 6 lang, wala akong hindi mo punit, punit ang denominator. Okay? So notice nga, v ang u na punit, i-differentiate ang numerator. Okay? So let's have some examples here. Example number 1. Let's say if the function, differentiate the function of x here is equal to, let's have x cubed minus 3 times 2x squared plus x minus 1. Okay? So actually, pwede rin din mo na siyang i-expand, mo siyang i-multiply, and then you apply the other basic 4 rules in the previous video. However, if you want, dili po kayo mo mahasol or, mahasol ba? Or if you want, magamit sa product rule, kaya there are really times na dili applicable ang other basic rules, So, kanilang, just an example, pwede ninyo na siyang i-expand and then you apply the four rules in the previous video, or pwede sa ngayon gamitan ng product rule pareho ani. Okay? So, how do we do this? First is, yun siya, u v prime. So, copy lang din siya, x cubed minus 3. And then, pagkahuman, i-differentiate ni siya. So, the derivative of this term, 2x squared plus x minus 1, it's a term, or it's a factor rather. So, this is now your 4x. Sorry, so pagka 4x again, pwede rin natin i-multiply dito para mas madali, Ang exponent, i-multiply sa numerical coefficient. Okay? So, 2 times 2 is 4. Minusan mo nag 1, so 1 na lang. Okay? Plus, so ito, derivative sa ito ang x, it's always equal to 1. Okay? Na. So, mga nasa C, ang sagay siya, mga ni CU, and this is your V prime. Okay? Plus, baliho na sa dato. Kanya na sa datong kopyahon, 2x squared plus x minus 1. I-copy na nato ha. Differentiate na sa ni. So, derivative ani is 3x squared Kunya, ayaw na, sumpain kay 0 naman gihapon eh. Derivative of a constant is always 0. Okay, so sa man siya, this is your v, u prime. Okay, so mamaya itong u, mamaya itong v. So, gibuhat, copy, differentiate, plus, copy, differentiate. Okay? Yung pagkakuman, simplify further na dayan. So, pwede nyo may multiply niya, then kana. No? So, if you continue doing this, we actually have, kana is 4x raised to 4. Dayon plus the x cubed. Then kana siya, minus 12x minus 3. Plus, kani, you have 6x raised to 4. Okay, plus 3x cubed minus the 3x squared. Okay, then arrange na dahil combine like terms, 4x4 and 6x4, you have 10x raised to 4. Then degree of 3, x cubed and 3x cubed, so you have plus 4x cubed, and then degree of 2, so minus 3x squared. Degree of 1, so 12x. Yeah, so may line. So minus 12x minus 3. So this is your f prime of x. Okay? So I assume you will get the same answer if you will expand this one. Okay, so yung muna siya expand ay saan may differentiate using the full rules kanina. Pwede rin sa inyo ng buhatan. So it depends kung asa ka komportable. Then lesson number 2, sa kanang example. This time about the quotient rule, no? So what if we are dividing? Okay, so let's use the same term na siguro, no? This time the function f of x is equal to, you have 2x squared plus x minus 1 all over x cubed minus 3. Okay? So this time, no? Mao na itong u din kani, numerator, mao na itong v. So, unang buhaton, again, to get the f prime of x, to get the derivative of the function, yun siya, vu prime. So, kopyahon ni mong denominator, okay? So, copy lang ang denominator na x cubed minus 3, i-differentiate niyo mo ni. So, ang derivative ng numerator is actually 4x plus 1. Okay? Then, this time na, it's a minus. So, you have minus here. Kanina sa lang yung kopyahon, ang numerator. You have 2x squared plus x minus 1. Unya, differentiate ang denominator. So this is 3x squared. All over, okay? All over the denominator squared. So, meaning square ang denominator na x cubed minus 3. Sa kanya. So, that's how you execute, no? The quotient rule. Later din ang next mong buhaton is ang imuha na lang pag-simplify, no? So, again, this is the reflection of v, u prime, minus u, v prime, all over the v squared. Okay? So, muna akong pasabot dito. So from here, syempre, no, you can continue. You will simplify this expression. So here you may say f prime of x, therefore, is equal to, again, expand this one. So pareho na ana. No? This 4x times x cubed is 4x raised to 4. 4x, x cubed na lang, times 1 una. So you have plus x cubed. Then kani, you have negative 12x. Then this one, negative 3. Daling apart lang guys, no, because this is subtraction, you have to be at least extra careful, no? So, isun lang siya parenthesis, whatever is the product. Kaya syempre naka-negate na siya, minus man na siya. So, whatever is the result, when you multiply these two factors here, isun lang siya parenthesis. Kaya basin maliban niya ka, no? So, may tabo is 2x squared times 3x squared. You have 6x raised to 4. Then you have x times 3x squared is your plus 3x cubed. Then you have negative 1 times 3x squared, you have minus 3x squared. all over the denominator squared. So the square of the denominator. So it depende din sa choices, guys, no? If in the choices, in siyang format, especially if you're answering a multiple choice test, no? If in any format ang choices, then you follow this format. But if not, kay sometimes kung sa choices, i-simplify ni siya. I mean, ang pasabot na ko is i-expand siya, no? Kanya, if ever wala siya, if wala choices, because you're answering it nga, kana ang free ang muhang pag-write kung sa mga answers, then maybe it would be best nga muha siya ni kana i-expand. But anyway, depende sa inyong teacher kung saan yung pagpagi. Ang importante nga part is ma-execute mo siya taro. Okay, anyway, in the later part, dili man ta mo end up lang kutob sa derivatives, but we go through the tangent line and the normal line. So from here anyway, ako lang ni siyang kopyahan na lang na ako, para dili kita mahasol. So you have x cubed minus 3 and then squared. Okay? So, syempre, we combine terms here and also this one. Degree of 4, 4x4 and negative 6x raised to 4. So that's negative 2, no? So itong f prime of x here is equal to negative 2x raised to 4. Okay? Then degree of 3, so x cubed minus 3x cubed, so negative 2x cubed. Dahil yung sunod is ang 12x, wala pares, but you have x squared here. So kanila sa itong unahon, no? Negative of negative 3x squared, so positive na siya, so plus 3x squared. Then you have negative 12x, wala siya pares. Unya, you have the constant negative 3, so you have minus 3. All over, okay, so all over this one, x cubed minus 3 squared. X cubed minus 3 squared. Okay? Again, for some cases, pwede na siyang expand. So, pasabot na ko is kanina. Pasabot na ko is this becomes f prime of x is equal to negative 2x4 minus 2x cubed plus the 3x squared minus 12x minus 3 all over, okay? Expanding mo na siya, may mo na siyang x raised to 6 minus 6x cubed plus 9, okay? So, I think pwede bisang asahan ng duha. Pero kung na-choices mo ito kung gingon, you have to match kung unsay na sa choices. Okay? So, either this one or this one, depende sa inyong teacher kung sa standard niya, kaniya mga format na nagyang pre-square diha or kanibang expanded form. Okay? But again, if na-choices, you have to match kung asa ang gibuhat or asa ang gihatag sa choices, kung katubang na-square or katubang expanded form. Okay guys, that's it for the product rule and the quotient rule. Okay, the next video will be all about the chain rule. Thank you for watching my videos. Goodbye.